Hello, this is Chris Roshnut24K on Twitter, and today I'm doing the unboxing and review of Huawei MateBook X Pro. This is the one with 16 gigs of RAM. It has an Intel 8th generation Core i7 processor. It has an NVMe 512 gigabyte SSD drive. It has Windows 10, and this is a touchscreen. And look, it also has a pop-out camera in the keyboard, which is kind of innovative and different. The reason why they have the camera here is because the screen to body ratio is 91%, so that's quite a bit of screen. It's almost bezel-less. It's quite nice. There's a finger scanner here to unlock your computer or for purchases, and there's 4 speakers embedded, 2 on this side, 2 on this side. There's also 4 microphones with noise canceling capabilities as well for those video chats. Now we're going to boot up the computer to show you exactly how fast this is. This is as near stock as possible with this. Just done some standard Windows updates. So typically, when I've been using the computer this last month, it takes about 6 seconds, but as you can see, it's very fast boot time. And it's just as simple as that. From full shutdown to full boot, that's how long it takes with Windows 10. So I really like the touchpad down here. It's very large, and you might know this design. This is called Space Gray with this model here. The screen on this laptop is 13.9 inches. It has a resolution of 3000 by 2000 at 260 ppi. Like I said, it has an aspect ratio of 3:2, so you can fit 2 full-size pages. You're working on 2 documents at a single time. It has 1500:1 contrast ratio, which I've noticed has been great when watching movies and TV shows on here, with a maximum brightness of 450 nits. That's quite a bit. The touchscreen can handle all 10 points, and it has an anti-fingerprint coating. This model comes with, like I said, the 8th generation Intel Core i7 8550U processor with an NVIDIA GeForce MX150 and 2 gigabytes of GDDR3 RAM. So that's not the best GeForce processor out there from NVIDIA, but for at this price point, definitely it works quite well. I didn't notice any lag time with any of the simpler games that I was playing or the streaming that I was watching. It comes with 16 gigabytes of LPDDR3, 21 and 33 megahertz RAM. It has a 57.4 watt-hour battery. It lasts almost 7 hours when I was streaming, which I liked a lot. That camera right there that bumps out is 1 megapixel. Has a Dolby Atmos sound system and quad speakers with quad microphones. I really like the speaker system. The sound emanates out of the bottom of each side of the computer, here on the right side and then also on the left side. Something that I found that even Apple's MacBook Pro or MacBook Air don't have. It comes with a Huawei supercharger at 65 watts, and it is compatible with the power delivery protocol. So if you have other devices that use power delivery, you can use that with this laptop. You have 2 USB-C ports on the left side right here. Also a headphone jack port as well. And then on the right side, you have an actual USB Type A port, which companies like Apple no longer include on their higher end laptops. You can get this laptop currently from the Microsoft Store and online here in the United States. This is Chris Roshnut24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.